Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I've got this amazing 3D printer from Creality working behind me where you're going to be printing a little bunny, but I've used this for so many projects already. 3D printing is such a fun hobby. It's super popular right now and there is not a better company on the market than Creality. This is the ENDER. I'm going to put all of the specifics in the description so you can check out this exact model. But let me tell you, it was so easy to put together. There is really step-by-step thorough instructions in the form of a manual, as well as video instructions step-by-step on the internet. So they are gonna walk you through every step of the way of not just the setup process, but also how to fine-tune your printer, all of the different things that you can do with it. It's gonna come preloaded on a little card that's gonna have a couple of free prints for you, but there are a ton of resources on the internet that you can get for both free and paid 3D print files. There are a lot of free software as well where you can slice and really play with your prints and figure things out. It comes with some amazing filament. This is the PLA. It's going to tell you exactly what temperature settings to use with their filament, and just everything. They walk you through it and they make it really, really easy. It's a fun thing. It's really fast. This ENDER model is known for being super, super fast. So if you're looking for something that is going to get your prints out there even quicker, the ENDER is definitely one to consider. There's even a really fun tablet kind of interface. We'll show you guys that are going to give you more advanced settings that you can tweak both before and during your prints. So you can just really customize and make sure everything goes according to plan and works out perfectly. If you haven't ever 3D printed before, I definitely recommend Creality as a brand, again, because there are so many resources on the internet specifically about this brand and about their models. You're going to be able to find tons of videos on YouTube, tons of videos from the brand themselves, and just a lot of articles that can troubleshoot through any problems you may have, help you with setup, help you with all of your specifics for your projects and your builds. For me, so far, I've experimented with making the bunny and the boat that comes with the Creality printer, and also I printed a really cool 8-inch, so pretty large wrestling figure for Adam from 911 Studios. He's really happy with that. This is just a really great printer. There's a large bed, so you're going to be able to do larger figures, again, like that 8-inch figure. You can do larger things, smaller things, and you can do things very, very quickly. It's going to give you settings that allow you to, if you can check this out right here, we've got a bunny going in the background. You can see how quickly it is building this. Super, super fast and smooth. You've got your filament over here on this side. Again, from Creality, they make really, really high quality stuff. You have all of your settings right down here. And what I liked about this is I was having a little bit of problems with my Z-axis and the distance basically between the plate and the nozzle right there. And I was able to adjust that in real time, and I can do that from the tablet or from this interface down here. So it gives you a lot of different options for troubleshooting, for figuring things out, and for making adjustments, even if you need to make those adjustments on the fly. This is a very, very powerful printer. It's a fast printer. It's a relatively quiet printer as well. And it just works. It's gonna give you a lot of workspace so you can do even larger projects. And again, easy to set up, easy to use, and has a ton of information and resources for you on the internet where you can really do a deep dive and really, if you were looking to really get into 3D printing, this is the brand that you need, and I definitely love this model. I think you guys will as well. I'm about, let's see, I'm gonna check down here because it will tell me the status of my print. You can see right here, I am 27% of the way done with my rabbit right here. I can check and see the temperature of both my bed and the nozzle, what my Z-axis is, all that kind of stuff going on in real time. We're up to 28%. You can check out the print right there, still going strong. This is a really fantastic 3D printer. I highly recommend it. It's a super fun hobby. If you've been thinking about getting into it, check this one out. You are gonna love it. All of the information is going to be in the description for you below. Get to shopping, you guys. You're going to be so happy you did.